Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set a delivery address on the Glovo application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on this set a delivery address option at the top of the screen. Now you should either use this map by clicking on the relevant country in which you live, thereby indicating your current location, or you can either use your current location by tapping on this use current location button down below, thereby allowing Glovo to access your location. But you can also type in your address into this search bar in the middle of the screen. You can add your street number if you feel like to do so, and then click on the button confirm address. Now as you can see, you can choose from these categories such as snacks and sweets, food, groceries, and so on. So tap on the relevant one that you would like to order, and then you are able to type in the kind of product that you would like to order from the Glovo app. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.